Well, hey everyone, Gio here, and Juan Carlos is back over my shoulder, relaxing after our drive from Savannah down to St. Augustine, Florida, where we have just checked into the Renaissance Hotel, and we are in room 216, which is a deluxe king room here, and I'm going to give you a little room tour. So let's do it. So as you enter into the room, you've got this open style closet unit here, which is quite nice. Lots of storage. You got a hanging room. You got your luggage rack. You got a bin that you can put stuff in. You got a little closet door here that has your ironing board and iron. Over here, a little coffee maker with all of your coffee supplies. In-room safe. And a little mini fridge down here. It's very small, but it's fine for a few bottles of water. And a little sitting area with a makeup mirror. Immediately to the left, you'll see the bathroom with a very large walk-in shower, which is quite nice. You get a rain head shower, and it looks like a handheld wand with Aveda spa product soaps and shampoos and conditioner. Hey everyone, as you can see, you got a nice large sink area, single sink, but a nice vanity, large vanity. And then you have the commode over here. Some very cool artwork. Hairdryer hanging on the wall. And the bathroom does have a pocket door, which is quite nice. Modern electronic controls for your temperature control, which is great. And as you move in, a very large bedroom area. This has a king-size bed, and you've got a little clock on this side. Does this have outlets on it? There's one USB port there, but I don't see any outlets, which is surprising because this hotel was just renovated a year ago. And then Juan Carlos is sitting on the what would we call this? A chaise lounge? Couch. The Juan Carlos is over here sitting on the chaise lounge couch, which is positioned in the corner. What do we see over here? Any power outlets?
I don't see any.
Wow. This is surprising. Is there anything? No, this doesn't even open. We got two books. We got the Book of Mormon and the Bible. Interesting. Oh, there are right here on the side of the nightstand. There's 2 outlets and 2 USBs. Let's see if that's the same over here. Yep. All right, Renaissance, you are doing a good job. So you got 2 outlets and 2 USBs on each side of the bed. Small little sitting area. They made it nice. They personalized the big screen TV, but if you don't want to see the TV, look at this cool thing. You can take the artwork, close it off, and look at that. You got a cool piece of artwork that you're just looking at with some shelves. I kind of like it. And then they got this big door, which is interesting because this is just your hallway over here. But if you want to close that off, then you just have the bedroom with the shower on the other side. Kind of interesting. But I guess the cool thing that sets this room apart would be it actually has an outdoor balcony. Let's check that out. Little rocking chair, little table. There you go. It's not necessarily a spectacular view from this room, but nonetheless, it's nice. There you go. 2 rocking chairs, a little table. It's a shared balcony space, so your neighbors are out here as well. But quite nice. So there you go. Quick little tour of our room here at the Renaissance Hotel in St. Augustine. First impressions? What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. The lobby is great. It's beautiful decorations. It looks very modern but classic. And yeah, and the room room is actually beautiful. They give you cards, so you don't have to schlep everything here. They will give you a card, and then yeah, I'm looking forward to this weekend.
Yeah. So we're going to go explore St. Augustine. This is a historic hotel that was renovated a little over a year ago by Renaissance Hotels. So they've made it ultra modern. It's part of Marriott, which means it's also part of Bonvoy, which, as you know, if you are aware, that is part of their loyalty program. So being a member of Bonvoy, which is nice, that I'm a Gold Elite member, we actually got a little room upgrade to a deluxe room, which was very nice. And we get a late checkout, so we don't have to check out until 1 p.m.
Nice.
Which is even better.
2 days later.
All right, everyone. So this wraps up our time here at the Renaissance Hotel in beautiful, historic St. Augustine, Florida. Overall impressions on it? We stayed here for a couple nights.
It was great. Yes, I really like this hotel.
Yeah, for sure. If we ever come back to St. Augustine again, which I think we will, because we didn't get to see everything.
Enjoyed the restaurant a lot.
Yes. Castillo, which is the restaurant here attached to the hotel. Definitely have dinner there. Chef Michael does an amazing job. The food was fantastic. So, yeah, that can't be said enough. The room itself, definitely comfortable.
Yeah.
The only negatives, the walls are a little thin. We could definitely hear our neighbors every time they open and close the curtains or coughed or.
And the doors in the bathroom.
Yeah, I think because the hotel is historic, it's very old. The floors are uneven. So what happens?
It's a sliding glass door, so it kind of moves. It starts sliding, and then you're showering and it starts opening up. And okay.
Yeah,
so
we
what I
had
had to do was like put a washcloth underneath, just
Yeah,
put
to
it
kind
this
of
way.
put it in the little slider track
Yeah.
to keep it from opening. But other than that,
But besides that, the room is beautiful. The hotel is beautiful. This little area is fantastic. So yeah.
yeah, and it's great because this hotel is in walking distance of everything in the historic district. We got out and did a lot of walking. This is definitely a walking town, which is great. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice place to stay in St. Augustine, this is a good place to do it.
Come here.
Yeah, for sure. What else? Anything else?
No, just inviting you guys to come here and give us a
A comment or two?
comment or two about your experience.
Yeah. Let us know if you ever stayed here. So, with that being said, we're going to get on out of here and get on the road back to Fort Lauderdale. But remember, happiness is.
Lifestyle.
And we really appreciate you guys watching. Oh, and if you haven't done so yet, why haven't you subscribed?
Subscribe and hit the like button,
Yeah,
share.
all that good
all
stuff. Anyway, until next time, everyone. Peace
Bye.
out.